What's up, you guys? It's Sammy and welcome back to my channel. That's my old roommate Zoe. So today I wanted to film a weekend in my life at Cal Poly, and it's really fun because it's Halloweekend, or like the week before Halloween, but we're all celebrating Halloween this weekend too. And my friend Summer, well, my best friend Summer, is coming into town from Santa Barbara in like an hour and a half, so I'm so excited to show you guys all of that. I'll show you the get ready with me for Halloween, but right now I'm actually headed to a little photo shoot with my old roommate. So I'm with my old roommate Zoe, and Zoe's friend Tori is going to be doing a little shoot with us today, and I kind of just wanted to like put it together, show you guys who Tori is. She's so cool and like has a really cool Instagram feed, so you guys should check her out. She's a really good photographer.
At Cherry Blossom Memories, go follow her.
Hello, this is Emily.
Hi.
She's helping me plan out my outfit. We actually just went through Morgan's closet, and
yeah,
we are trying to figure out an outfit for me to wear. I'm gonna show you guys some of the options, and we hope Morgan says yes to letting me wear them. Morgan has the cutest clothes ever, and I really wanted to borrow this. I'm not sure if it will fit me, but this is like so cute. And then she has like this like white one. Alright, so I just did my makeup, and I'm gonna kind of like fill you in on what is going to be happening. So today I'm filming a video of what a college weekend in my life is like. So this weekend's actually a really fun one, just because it's right before Halloween, so we all start celebrating Halloween, dressing up, all of that fun stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys all of us getting ready tonight, and we have a really fun costume plan, so I'm so excited to show you guys that. Other than that though, I'm doing a photo shoot in about 25 minutes, so I'm kind of just like finishing getting ready. I need to straighten my hair. I just did my makeup, and I have an outfit all picked out, so I'm going to show you guys that. Okay, I'm heading out right now. I should probably have shown you my outfit, but
it's very Coachella vibe.
Here.
Okay,
Emily can just...
My shirt, so
I don't even know. This is Morgan. I don't know where it's from. Okay, we're good. Old dorm, rip. So, we just got to Architecture Graveyard. That's where we're like doing the little shoot thing. And I'm with Tori.
Hey.
So, you should check Tori out on Instagram. Yeah.
Cherry Blossom Memories.
And I'll also link it in the description. So go check it out, give her a follow. If you also follow her, you should tell her in the comments you came from this video. Yes. That'd be really cool. I'm really excited about this. I haven't like done any photos in a long time, so.
You look so pretty in the wind.
Yeah.
Blowing. This is so pretty.
So we just finished doing a little shoot, and the photos were so cool, so I'm excited to put some in. Tori did a really good job. So shout out to Tori.
Always.
But gonna head home now because Summer is about to get to my house in like 15-20 minutes. Yay! So we're getting ready right now. Summer's getting ready. Shay's getting ready. And we just ate some dinner. I had my leftovers from Blast Cafe or something like that downtown. We'll show you our outfits, but we're doing disco tonight, or some of us are. So I'm excited about that. We're getting ready.
Yeah.
I'm gonna spray.
Oh, that's like the
This glitter on me.
Wow.
We are ready for Halloween.
Oh, yeah.
Hello. Good morning. So I just got out of the shower, and it's close to 11 o'clock. So Summer and I are gonna go and get some breakfast, either at Avila Beach or downtown. We're not really 100% sure what our plan is yet, but I'm wearing a little sundress from, I think it's from Free People. So today is Saturday, and we woke up and kind of just went downtown, shopped around, got some lunch at this place called Blast. It was really good. And then
Hi.
Isn't that the weird part? Gonna head down to the beach right now, watch some sunset, and I'm not sure what we're doing tonight. Probably gonna go out or something, I'm not sure. So we are at Pirates Cove right now, just heading down. The sunset's in like 1 minute.
That's so funny. Sorry, I'm running the vlog.
No, you're done. Very pretty here. Love Pirates Cove.
I told Grant we need to go on a date here. Grant, if you're watching.
So good.
Guys,
Missing someone with all your missing
So today is Sunday and I'm going to start some homework. Well, I just cleaned a little bit. I like scrubbed the bathtub, toilets, showers or sink and all of that. And then I threw in some laundry. I'm just like in PJs right now. And I cleaned my room, doing some homework, doing like some bio, and then I have like child development homework. I have like a really good amount of homework to do. I had some bio homework and reading, and then child development reading and stuff. And then I have 2 or 3 projects, I think I have 3 projects to do today. So I've started them all, but I need to finish all my projects so that they're ready to go for tomorrow. And then I need to finish a bio lab that's due Tuesday, and that's everything I have this week just because all my hard week was last week. So I'm really happy about that because it's Grant's birthday this week and our anniversary, so I'm excited to have a more chill week. What's up guys? So I just got out of class and I ended up getting a few packages, so I want to open those for you and unbox them. Really excited about some of the things that I'm getting, so want to show them off for you. But now I want to do a little unboxing. First one, I think I know what this is. Phone charger. I need a new 10-foot because my 10-foot charger was really breaking. It only worked like half the time. So you guys know that I love skincare. You can ask any of my friends. They all know that I really love like doing face masks, figuring out how I can clear my skin the best. So people at Banish sent me their new skincare routine, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it is a skincare routine that focuses on getting rid of acne scarring. Personally, I don't have a lot of acne scars, which I'm super grateful about. But I know some of you guys might be, so I wanted to include this just because for you guys it might be super helpful. They sent me their pumpkin enzyme mask. I'm really excited about this just because it is fall, and I mean, why not? And I know that the pumpkin enzyme mask is made to really target the problem areas of your skin. And they also sent me this charcoal clay mask. Charcoal clay mask can be used to like diminish or sizing up pores. They also sent an all clear mint cleanser and the Banish oil itself. So what you would do with this oil is use the Banisher, which I'll show you right now. Okay, so this is a really cool product. So I don't know if you guys can see those little dots. Because they promote like helping with your scarring and stuff, you'll be able to use this to like kind of go in the areas that you have like scarring. It has like little needles in it, and that's where you like clean it before. And then it kind of just promotes new skin growth in those areas, which is really cool. I also saw that they sent me a vitamin C cream. I'll probably end up using the vitamin C cream like right before I do my makeup, just so I can kind of get like a nice primer. So thank you Banish for sending me these products. I'm really excited to get using them. I don't know, I feel like having good skin in college is just such a good confidence booster. You guys know I'm super big on confidence with skincare, all of that. And if you want to check them out, go ahead and use the link in my bio. We'll go ahead and get back to the week in my life. So tonight I am doing like a cowgirl theme. So I have this white skirt on from Free People. This top is from Shein. It's like an off the shoulder white top. This is Morgan's bandana, and then one of these hats from Amazon. And then these boots are from Nasty Gal, I think. So this is the look for tonight. Last weekend for the year. Yay. So tonight I am being a Care Bear.
Looks so cute.
So this, I like tape this on, or I like pinned it on, and then white skirt. This white skirt has really come in handy all of college. Yeah, and then I have white pom-pom ears. Okay, so that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys really liked it. I thought it'd be kind of fun to do like more so a weekend in my life rather than like my school routine and stuff like that. I think I am going to be posting a school routine week in my life super soon, but let me know in the comments like what you want to see on my YouTube channel. Definitely go ahead and follow my Instagram if you guys want to stay kind of updated with things that I'm doing and all of that. So I'll put it right here so you guys can go check it out. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!